6 reasons why I ditched razors for my head shave this Father's Day. I have what my wife calls a hot dog on the back of my head. Razors weren't cutting it, literally. Here's the 6 reasons why I am so happy that I upgraded my head shaver. 1, consistently close shave. And the shaver from Freebird shaves my hot dog with no issue. It's got these scalp safe blades. Blades that shave close but not too close, so I can shave the back of my head or all the hard to see spots with no problem. The second reason, unmatched comfort. These flexible blades glide over my scalp, eliminates all fear of nicks, cuts, and bleeding. 3, 0 irritation. I would used to have to brace myself for the inevitable razor burn and bumps and itchiness, but since switching, my skin has never felt better. Number 4, great value. I calculated the money that I spent on traditional razors. It was eye-opening. The Freebird Shaving Kit is on sale for $39 right now. And that saves me more money than if I went to the barber or kept wasting my money on disposable razors. The 5th reason is speed and efficiency. My head shave routine is cut in half. I'm done in like minutes. And number 6, convenience. I personally keep a Freebird in my bathroom and one in my car. This thing also holds a really good charge. I also really like how the hairs get trapped inside the blades, so you're not walking around with little shavings all over your shoulders. This Father's Day, try one for yourself. And it also has a 60-day trial and money-back guarantee, so you literally have nothing to lose. This thing is awesome.